So I hope some technical error was there. So yes, coming back to the strategy, I want to discuss strategy first. So this is NSE India, no? This is NSE India. So in this NSE India, so this NSE India may will build one strategy. This is mainly a weekly strategy. The first time I'm discussing this strategy called heartbeat. It looks like a heart-shaped graph. Heart-shaped graph. So what is this strategy all about? So this strategy has almost like 8 items. 8 items should be there in this strategy.
I think it is a covered call put and combination of that, right?
Don't guess. Don't try to guess me. So no one can judge me. So heartbeat shape, but it looks like a heartbeat. Let's see what is that covered kala, covered putta. It's a mixture, bundina. Let's see everything. So what is this strategy? Let's try to find out. See in this, I'll design the strategy for Nifty first. And this may be a good boon for our people who thinks, sir, I want to make just 2000 rupees per week and multiple of 2000. Heartbeat strategy. What is this heartbeat strategy? Let's see. So now I need to choose one call option, choose one call option, choose one put option. Which call, which put? 70 rupees wala premium call. So we need to buy this call option, buy this put option. This put option 70 rupees wala call option buy karo, 70 rupees wala put option buy karo. Understood? Buy. And this is buy. And next to this call option, see if this call option is XYZ, next to that one, next to strike price, next to strike price, just write down, even you don't understand ABCD, just write it down blindly. Next to strike price wala sell karo. Which is the next strike price to this one? We don't know. Let us see the NSE India and understand. So I'll write it clearly. So what is this heartbeat, everything? First, 70 rupees wala premium call ko sell maro, call sell, and 17 rupees wala put ko sell maro. That's all. This is step number 1. Step number 2. Next strike price to this one, whatever the strike price, I don't know which strike price. 70 rupees, which strike price, we don't know, right? Little OTM to this one and little OTM to this. Next to OTM, I'll write the word as next to OTM strike ko. So this is, sorry, this should be buy.
First you told buy, right?
Yes, that's what this is buy, this is buy, this is sell. So I just confused. So this is next to OTM strike ko sell karo, and even in the put also. Next to OTM put ko bhi, next OTM put strike, usko bhi sell kar. So this OTM call, little confusing, little you need to memorize, little understand this concept. See, I'm just buying one. See, this becomes long straddle, no? This becomes long strangle. For long strangle, we are in covering up, like just like as Prashant told, like covered call jaisa we are doing it. Just like covered call, we are just selling one next strike price wala call, next strike price wala put, we are selling it. So up to this, any doubts? I think it is understood. Once I open option chain, you will clearly understand. So this is step number 1. Step number 2, find the options which has off of this one, which is that 35 rupees near. 35 rupees near, call also sell karo and put also sell karo. So this is all option premium based we are playing. This is, you'll get big range, you'll get more than like big range. So this is one thing. And just 1 rupee call wala, 1 rupee put buy karo, just to reduce the margin. 1 rupee call option, 1 rupee put option, buy karo. So note down this everything. Eight items are there in this strategy. The amount required is around 1 lakh is the amount required, 1,10,000 maximum. And you will make money. This is little like a gamma 2 only, but you can stretch the range. You can stretch the range. So you're not understanding anything, no problem. Just write it. What is that? 70 rupees wala call buy karo. 70 rupees premium wala call buy karo. And 17 rupees wala put buy karo. And next to OTM call strike ko sell karo. And next to OTM put strike ko sell karo. This is step number 2. Step number 3. 35 rupees. This is off of this one. 35 rupees call ko sell karo. 35 rupees put bhi sell karo. And this is a dummy soldiers. 1 rupee wala. This is a dummy soldiers. The work of this dummy soldiers is to reduce the margin. Little complex strategy. So that's the reason you are attending Chai Pe Charcha, where we solve complex problems, CBI problems, all central level problems we are solving here, not state level or district level. So now let us see this strategy. Let's put this in Opstra or Sensible. So I think Sensible, the work is very, very easy. I can just put it in few seconds or few minutes. But Opstra takes a lot of time. But beginners, Opstra is a god for beginners. But Sensible, you have to learn Sensible, how to use Sensible. So Sensible is ultimate. So where you can create strategies very quickly. So first, note down the, so now you have to tell me the answer. So where is 70 rupees? Can anyone tell? Nearest to premium to 70 rupees, which is that 68 rupees?
7,900.
Yeah, note down this one, 7,900. Note down this one, 7,900 call ko buy karo. So this is done. 7,900 call buy. Note on this one. Again, you need to tell me later. 7,900 call buy. Understood. Next. 17,650. 650 put buy. Write down. 17,650 put buy. So next. Step number 1 over. Everyone. See, next question, sir. Which day we have to do this one? Very important question. Which day you have to do this one means the day. So new contract starts, no? The day new contract starts. Maybe Friday morning. Friday morning. So I don't suggest Friday morning. Probably Friday afternoon. That's where the Friday afternoon around like 2:30 or 3 o'clock is the best day, I think, to do this one. So now already Friday is over, right? For us, Friday was a holiday, market holiday. So let's do it on Monday. Monday morning is also fine. Only we have 4 days for expiry. So 4 days to expiry, we can enter in this strategy. So you have to enter this strategy in the beginning of the week. Carefully listen. Beginning of the week, that is Friday afternoon or Friday morning. Also, you can observe. See, ultimately, you have to see the range and predict whether it will stay within that range is not or not is a question. So this is understood. Step number 1, 17,900 call buy karo, 17,650 put buy karo. Step number 1 is over. Step number 2, 17,950 call ko short maro. So I told you next strike price little OTM, which is that little OTM 17,950 call ko short maro. Just write down 17,950 call sell and 17,600 put sell. Step number 2 over. Step number 3. See, where is 35? So 35 is not there. So we'll take 41. See, if 35 is not there, don't take 30. See, if you take 30, no, there will be 5 rupees loss only for us. If you take 41, 6 rupees gain for us, because we are sellers, no, option sellers, and we are writing that call option. So which call option should I write? 18,000 call. Note down 18,000 call ko sell maro. Sell 18,000 call. Noted down 18,000 call sell karo. Next, which put option should I sell? Go ahead.
17,500.
17,500.
Yes, 17,500 put ko short maro. Next, 1 rupee wala. Where is 1 rupee wala? 1 rupee is very, very far. So I'll take
7.
yeah, somewhere we'll take 2 rupees wala. 19,500 write down. 2 rupees will take, because 1 rupee is not at all available. So 2 rupees. Let's say I want to reduce the margin in a big way. So if I want to reduce the margin in a big way, so 18,700 is also good. 19,000 is fine, I guess. 19,000 wala take it. See, take round figure always, because the liquidity will be very, very high. It will be bought immediately if you take 19,000. If you take 18,700 and all, no, even if you try to buy also, sometimes seller will sell it at 10 rupees. Be very, very careful. So that's the reason market order is very dangerous in options, that too in stock options. Stock options, don't put market order for options buying. You'll be trapped. Heavily you will be trapped. Index options, it's fine. 19,000, I have taken 19,000 call buy. 2 rupees wala I have taken, because 1 rupee, if I take it, no, that will not reduce my margin also, and it's waste. That's the reason I have taken 2 rupees wala call option, just to reduce the margin. Dummy soldiers, I've taken dummy soldier 1. Now put option also, tell me one dummy soldier which is very near dummy soldier. 2 rupees wala. 16,000 is very, very far. 16,500, yeah, 16,500 is a dummy soldier. 16,500. So 43 is attendance today. 43, 44 students attending Chai Pe Charcha on Sunday evening without any other charchas. Really great. So now let me build a strategy. So keep telling me the items. I'll keep adding this in Sensible. Click on this build strategy. I'll start strategy. So I've taken 25th. Please tell me which item should I add first?
17,900.
Yes. 17,900. Next item, sir?
17,650 put side.
Yeah. Next item?
17,950 sell.
Yes. 17,600 sell. So this is how the graph looks, right? So now I'll do the, see this, there is a well in the, we have put a bore well. Suddenly we may fall in this bore well also. That's the reason we'll take away this bore well. So next, step number 3.
18,000.
So slowly the bore well is getting closed. So next, step number 3, complete karo.
17,500.
Sell.
Yes. Can you see this heart shape?
Yeah.
Next, so the margin required is very high. Let me reduce the margin. Let
2
me
rupees.
reduce the margin by buying the dummy soldiers. Dummy soldiers. Yeah, margin got slightly reduced. It's okay. Yeah, still this gives some decent profit. Market stays flat, will be the winner. Market goes up also, no problem. Still you will get some profit. But make sure that you exit this strategy once it gives you 2,000 rupees loss. Note down the point. See, this strategy we have to exit it once it gives 2,000 rupees loss. We never know. No? See, what is the break even? Can you see the break even, everyone? What is almost you are getting a break even of 700 points, right? 700 points.
700 almost. Yeah.
Yeah, we can still stretch this rubber band. We can still make the heart shape little bigger also. So even if market stays in between, you are the winner. Even if it goes up before going to the ocean, this fellow will give you profit and it will go through the ocean. Before dying, this fellow will give the profit and die later. Oh, markets. Who will die? The market. Before dying, this fellow will give you good profits and die. That's a speciality of this heartbeat. 8 items. Investment is 1.12, almost 1.2. So where I can tell you 2,000 rupees per week, you can achieve it most of the weeks. So that's what this strategy is. Sometimes there may be loss also, right? 2,000 minus. If there is a 2,000 minus, exit karo. And see the probability of profit, 81%.
Yes.
That's the greatness of this strategy.
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
So we can do this for Bank Nifty also. We can do this for, see, this is little complex. I really agree with you. Sir, 8 items, first time. Say 4 legs only, we used to shiver some people. Now it is 8 legs. But still, 8 legs, 8 pillars. Very strong, no? So any doubts, please ask.
Yeah, that's right, sir. In fact, if we take the individual legs, then the margin, penalty, these things will happen. Otherwise, we need to exit in one single shot.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I think this is the first time on the internet, this content, we may release it also. So this is back tested. So this is self-made. Self-made, you can check 101 videos. This is a new technique. I was just doing mismatch techniques. I wanted to give some strategy to you today. I was doing. Finally, I arrived at this one. So
This is
the
very good, sir,
probability-
actually. The probability of profit is good and the margin is also like very low. We can increase a lot. And that is basically a confirmed profit. Ideally, we need to keep track of it and exit as and when, actually, as you said, like if it makes like 2,000 rupees loss.
2,000,
Yeah.
2,200 or 2,000 rupees is a decent profit for 1 lakh
Yeah.
investment in just 4 days.
Correct.
So monthly 8,000 you can earn with 1.2 lakhs capital means definitely you are one of the greatest trader in the world. See, just you have to assume if you can make 10,000 rupees with 1 lakh capital, you can double your money in 12 months. Anyone who doubles their
That's like
money.
10% per month.
So already I told all my students one rule. So, and already they are liking it. What is that rule? Just imagine you started your career with XYZ amount. You started your career with 5 lakh. And within a year, you are able to double it. That becomes 10 lakh. First year, this is first year. Second year, again, let's say you didn't enjoy this money. So your target is 5 years. Your target is 5 years, sir. 5 years, I will struggle hard in the stock market. 5 years के बाद हमको बड़ा पैसा होना चाहिए. So next, dedicatedly you are working hard, consistently you are just dedicating your, time, money for the markets. So next year 10 lakhs became 20 lakhs. This is year 2. Next year 20 lakhs you are able to make it 40 lakhs. This is year 3. Next year 40 lakhs you are able to make it 80 lakhs. This is year 4. Next year 80 lakhs you are able to make it 1.6 CR. This is year number 5. The journey goes like this. Don't try to jump the signal. Some people say, sir, 5 lakhs ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ sir, 1.6 crores immediately ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡಿ first year. So 1.6 lakhs you will never get it. 1.6 crore you will never get it. 5 lakhs will become 0. This you have to note it in book. Anyone who is aiming for bigger targets in just 1 year, miracle, you are just expecting miracle to happen in life. It may or it may not, but 90% chances you will lose your capital. This is sure. See, there is no shortcut in stock market. So don't try to find shortcuts in stock market. If you find the journey, wherever you will go, whatever strategy you put, you will fail. So there is no shortcut. So 5 lakhs can grow to 1.6 crores in just 5 years if you put your hard work, efforts. Just even if you earn 8% per month or 10% per month, means 120%. We don't need 120 also. See, what is 8 12s, sir? 12 8s?
96.
96% if you can get per annum. I'm using the word per annum. You are the greatest trader in the world. But everyone wants this 96% within 1 day, within 1 week, within 1 month. So everyone come to the market with a capital. So it's not that they don't come with a capital, but their attitude, their imagination is too beyond. It's not it's highly unbelievable things they think. That's the reason they fail. So anyone, any doubts in this or that strategy, heartbeat strategy?
Manoj sir, that heartbeat strategy, 70 and 35, instead of that, can't we choose any other number like 80, 40 or 90, 45? Is 70 is some good number or anything?
That is nowhere I thought, but I thought we have to stretch that rubber band. So ultimately we need big range, no? Even if profit is less, we want bada range. That's our motto. That's the reason I've taken 70. We can try different also. Let's try for 50. Can we do the second assignment 50? So,
sir.
Yes.
Actually, last week I tried one strategy which is very similar to this. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಇದು ಚೆಕ್ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್. I'll just tell you that.
How many lakhs are there in that?
Only 4 lakhs. Investment is 1.6 lakhs.
Tell me the lakh.
Somewhere around 8,000 irutte sir. Like 3 to 8,000.
Okay, tell me the strategy.
Okay, 25th at the money, call buy and put buy.
Okay, one second. Call buy, put buy. Okay,
ಎರಡನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಕಾಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮನಿ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮನಿ ಸೆಲ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ 17,850 ಕಾಲ್ ಸರ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಟು ಫಾರ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ಪುಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
sell
and again sell. See, this is also good, I believe.
What is the range? Okay, range
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. It is almost same, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 100 ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 50 or 50 to 80.
Yes, if we do hedge for this one also, Even this is good strategy. What is this? Buy, 2 lot sell. Buy,
Yes.
2 lot sell.
I
So
think this is
instead of doing at the money, we'll try different, little different. Heartbeat na inna. Ultimately goal today is heartbeat. ಏನೋ ಒಂದು heartbeat ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವತ್ತು.
ಸರ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೇಳಲೆ.
ಹೌದು
Very good.
ಸರ್, ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರೈ ದಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್.
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಐ ಗಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಸರ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಯಲಿ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಬೇರೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದೆ.
ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಬೀಟ್ ನ ಇನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ 150 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೋವ್, 150 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಲೋ. ಸೊ 750 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 850, 900. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 750 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 650 ಮತ್ತೆ 600. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಟ್ರೈ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೇಂಜ್. So even this is good, but only the investment part adana na work madana. So investment, even this is good strategy what Prashant has suggested, similar to my strategy, but here there similar. See what I told you, just take 70 rupees. Here we are taking random numbers, that's it. Buy karo, sell karo, that is my strategy. Next, by next time already this would have become more than half. See, that's what parallelly, see both Prashant's idea and my idea is matching, but I told don't guess me, but he has guessed me correctly. So yes, I think so this is also a good strategy. Probability of profit is 82%, and investment, we can work on the investment. How to reduce the investment? Can anyone tell me?
Again, we can
buy
with our
buy some dummy soldiers. And here also I'll just buy one dummy soldier just to reduce the margin. So again, same strategy, same probability of profit. I think we arrived at the same graph only, right?
Yes,
Same graph only, I guess.
Yeah.
So ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪಿನ್ ಟು ಪಿನ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ. So ultimately sensible may we can play with the strategies. So the same. So finally today topic was heartbeat. So again, can we stretch this? Next question, can we stretch this? Definitely yes, we'll try that one also. So I'll delete once again everything.
ಸರ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಒಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಟೈಮ್ ತೊಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದು. ಬುಲಿಶ್ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗೆಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಬುಲಿಶ್, ಓಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಏನು ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
Okay, so let me try heart shape na inna drag madak try madana. This is the 100% winner only, I guess. 89% probability. So 89 means almost, I mean, Ambani is only telling, take this money and go. Suitcase tumhara hai. 89% you are winning means, please take this money. So you know the subject pata hai, please take the money, go home, else I will only parcel you the money. So this is what Ambani says, if you know the subject. So what are the things we are doing today? We are just reducing the margin, we are just playing with a range. So even if market stays within this boundary, still you are making decent profit of 1,000 rupees, 1%. By chance, if market starts falling down, you will be making a decent profit of like 2 to 3%. Yes, 2 to 3% per week is a big returns, right? And the probability of profit is 88%. So thank you, Prashant sir, helping me. So he has helped us also in firefighting. Also he has helped us in a big way. That's the reason his photo is on our channel, YouTube channel, firefighting. If you open that channel, one person will be sitting in the Himalayas. That person is Prashant.
Thank you for putting my thumbnail, sir.
So any doubts in this heartbeat, how to, so this heartbeat shape got changed, but it's fine. So this is weekly. Some people say, no, sir, 1% if I get per week, I'll be thankful for you. So 1% is probability, yes. See, any doubts in heartbeat? 8 legs game.
No doubt, sir.
So 1% ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್?
ಮಾಡೋಣ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
sir,
how to
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಅದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
Exit all button.
ಎಕ್ಸಿಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಬಟನ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
So definitely, see, this is powerful than gamma. Yes, sir. I'm not getting your question.
Sorry, there is a noise around.
Mano sir, is
I
advantage.
have one question. Do you have any alert or settings to make sure that we should exit at this time in case if we are offline or if we are away from the system?
Yes, we have an alert message. I think even in Sensible, we'll get alerts, right? The price
So we
alerts.
have, sir. Yes, sir. WhatsApp ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ direct ಆಗಿ.
Can you see this alerts? Can you see this one? WhatsApp alerts.
Yes.
Okay.
See, the moment it reaches to 17,300, I think entire community will be telling market has reached 17,300 and there'll be the rumors, everything. See, obviously you may be little outside or you are in completely out of the stock market. Even then, even if you're active in the group, so even if you see the markets once in a day also, I don't think there will be confusion in this strategy. I think the time it reaches to this destination is at least 3-4 days we need, no? On 4th day, if it reaches this destination, you are the biggest profit maker in this strategy. See, the 4th, see, the tiger should be inside this range for 3 days. 4th day, this tiger has to come out of this boundary and the tiger has to try to cross this boundary on the 4th day. Then you will make big money. 4th day, see, 3 days it has to waste time. Which has to waste time? The market has to just be within this range for 3 days. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Thursday ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದು ಈ ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಟಿಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಡೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಗುಡ್ ಮನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡೈ ದ ಟೈಗರ್.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಡೇ ಒನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಯುಲ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಸರ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್ ಸರ್, ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈನ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡೇ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್.
Yes.
First day one only you'll be in profit, some profit.
Yeah. Day one itself you'll start your profitable journey.
Yeah, that blue line indicates that.
Day one ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬೋನಸ್. ಕಂಪ್ನಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಬೋನಸ್, ಖರ್ಜೂರ, ಬಾದಾಮಿ, ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ತರ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಬಾದಾಮಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು 4-5 ಕಾಳು ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಜಿ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಜಿನೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಕೆಜಿನೂ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೀಡಿ, ದಟ್ಸ್ the only thing I can say. So greediness will throw us out of the market.
Consistent small profit is much better, sir.
Yes, sir. So stock market ಬರೋರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ I will say one word. Whether you make profit is secondary. First, protect your capital. First, act like a Rahul Dravid. Later on, you can say, I will come like a Hardik Pandya, I will come like a MS Dhoni. This is secondary. Everyone wants to be Rahul Dravid in stock market. Don't try to hit a sixer or don't try to play like a Sehwag. Hit out or get out. It will not work out in stock market.
Manoj, last week you gave one strategy where I bought one 18,200 call.
Yes,
and
sir.
I sold 2 calls of 18,300.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
the total investment is about 42,000 or something, and it's making about $900 now. I think it's steadily increasing. It started with 500 rupees, 600, 700, 800. Now it's about 900 rupees I'm making in that. So what is that strategy called?
Ratio spread.
Okay.
I'll just show you that also today.
Yeah, but because that is making similar money, no? So if I had taken multiple lots of the same thing, I'm pretty sure that I would have ended up with 2,000 rupees profit on that.
Yes. It's very similar to this only. So where we are just buying one call option. Let's say I'll just buy one OTM call and I'll just sell 2 lots of little OTM. Next strike price, voila, 2 lots. So this is what the strategy we did last week. The same strategy, similar to this one we did. Even if market goes up, profit. Even if market falls down, profit. Probability of profit is 85%. So if market we thought bearish only, that's the reason I gave the strategy. But exactly market turned bearish. That's the reason we are making that profit of 1,000 rupees. I think you will make a profit of another 100 rupees more, you will make it. That's a maximum profit. I think you are able to make that one in that strategy.
Okay. Yeah, but if I had deployed more money, say 1 lakh rupees, this is about 40,000 I put. Suppose I had put 1,20,000, I would be making about 3,000 rupees. So it seems better than the heartbeat strategy.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah.
So, but in heartbeat, you'll get big range both side, but in this only one side. But even this also, see, if it goes to this boundary, see there the boundary was very, very far. But here, let me try to increase the boundary here also. Let me try to increase the boundary. So let me start increasing the boundary. Yeah. So if I increase the boundary, the probability of profit will definitely increase to 95. It should shoot up to 95. But the profit you are making is very, very less. Only 580 rupees is a max profit. So the break even. So we have to exit this strategy once it comes to 18,150. Very similar to that heartbeat. Even this is ratio spread. Even if market falls down, profit, market goes up, also profit. Only capital is a concern, but you will make very small profit. See, by looking all these things, I think every one of our student is have a gut feeling or a knowledge to make at least 2% per month. At least 2%. I'm asking just 2% per month. Using all this strategy without losing capital.
Mano sir.
Yes, sir.
ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 18,150 ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್, ರೇಂಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 18,150. ಆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಇದು ಮೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ 18,200 ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 18,250 ಅದು ಮೇಲೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ, ಐ ಫಾರ್ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್. 18,250 ಕಾಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್, 18,200 or 250
ಮಾಡೋಣ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೇಂಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ರೇಂಜ್ ಓಕೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇನ್ನ ವೆಲ್ಟೆಡ್.
ಅದೇ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ.
ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಮೈಲೇಜ್. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ 1,000 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಹೊಡೆದೇ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ.
ಸರ್ 1800 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನ 17,750 ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ 17,700 ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜಿ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಸರ್. ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇದೊಂದು
ಸೇಮ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್. The break even is very low.
ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಇದು ಪಕ್ಕಾ ಬೇರಿಶ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. If you think ultimately market is bearish next week, you can do this one. Bullish, just do ulta. Sell put, buy one put, sell 2 lots of put. If you are bullish next week, if you are ultimately bearish next week, do this kind of a strategies. So I hope you enjoyed this week Chai Pe Charcha. Thank you guys. Any doubts? Any stocks? Anyone holding?
Sir, Tata
holding
Power
Titan
and Tata Motors, sir.
Tata Motors. I think some huge correction in Tata Group stocks.
Correct, sir.
Yeah, it looks still some more painful days ahead. If you
Yeah,
can hold it for a
complete.
long run, definitely no problem. You can hold it. So this is what, see, it was consolidating. It
Correct,
went to
sir.
this tip. It went to this tip, but it did not cross and did not close above also, I think.
Is it because of that Thursday situation, sir?
See,
Is
that's
it
the
expected?
situation was market was bearish, that's all. But why did Tata all group, Tata Steel,
Yes.
Tata Power,
Almost every share,
Tata
sir.
Motors, every Tata group stocks have fallen. I don't know, something, I don't know what's wrong with them. It has fallen heavily. Maybe this pain will continue for some more days. Keep arranging the capital. Once it falls to this zone, you have to average your stocks,
Okay.
or else wait and watch tomorrow how market reacts. Tata Group stocks, if they react positively, just keep on holding the stocks, because Tata Group, really, it's a diamond group, we can call. Those stocks will definitely start showing some strength. I
Correct,
think, I
sir.
don't know,
1 month
some
actually
news is
breakout
there.
happened. 1 month actually breakout happened.
Something
But
news has gone, sir. Something is cooking in Tata Group. That's the reason all Tata Group stocks have fallen 555%.
And Tata Power also, sir.
Titan also took a hammering.
Yes, sir. So Titan company, yes, even it took a hammering, not as like Tata Motors and Tata Power, I guess. Little. So even it has falling from past 4-5 days, and 20 EMA support may hai. We never know if 20 EMA is broken on Monday, that is tomorrow. It may start tumbling to 50 EMA slowly. See, market will not react anything like very fast move will not come. Again, one green candle may come, which will divert our thing to bullish. We will think, oh, bullish candle came again. It will take an uptrend. Very next day, big hammering may come. That's how they manipulate the things. One fake up move they'll give, again they'll hammer. So first time, we should not believe that candle.
Sir, United Spirits?
Yeah, United Spirits is still hold. So that stock, first time it went to the all-time high, and it has taken a support. So this acts like a very strong support zone. Keep on adding on dips. If you see the monthly candle of United Spirits, this stock rallied almost like 30%. Now again it is reversing because of last week correction. Again the uptrend may resume anytime. Keep on adding these stocks on dip. We saw some selling pressure, sharp selling. Again it may reverse.
Why is Asian Paints taking a beating in spite of the second price hike? They announced a second price hike just within a week. They announced it.
So Asian Paints. So now it is going very strongly, sir. I think last week it's going and it has crossed all the important.
It's still okay. Okay.
Yeah, still okay, sir. Still okay.
Okay.
So what about Devyani?
Devyani buy on dips. So I think it went to 168 and all, no? So food related industry, I think even all the food related stocks got beating on Thursday, I guess. Even Devyani fell heavily. So keep on adding. I think it will again retest 140 rupees zone. Devyani may touch 140 rupees zone once again. That will be a very good buy, because if you see the charts of Devyani International, so this was one high. It took almost like 2-3 months to break that high. This will act like one support zone, no? This is a support zone. It may come up to this support zone near 140, and it may take consolidation and again start moving up. So big uptrend, retesting is pending now. That's the reason it is coming to retest. Whether it will retest or break this support and it may fall, we never know. But for a long term, this stock will definitely perform well. So it has got big beating on Thursday, big profit booking we can call. Again, it will go.
Sir, NTPC and ICICI.
So NTPC saw some strong volumes. That's the reason even I was bullish. I told it's looking very
Correct,
hot.
sir.
But suddenly it fell. But Power Grid has really done well on Thursday. Hoping this PSU power stocks will do well. Assuming that, keep a stop loss. Strict stop loss is this piercing pattern low. This is your stop loss.
Okay.
Piercing pattern low should be a stop loss. If it breaks, again, it may tumble like anything. So don't take a big risk. Piercing pattern low is your stop loss. So keeping a strict stop loss, we can just be in the stock.
Okay.
ICICI Bank, I think it has seen some big 113 crores bulk deal on block deal. We call it as block deal on Thursday. Whether it is a buy or sell, we don't know. But the candle color is red. See, block deal means they will just say 113 crore shares. There was a block deal. That's it. Whether it is buy or sell, we don't know. Right? But looking at the candle color, whether it is a buy also, we never know. So Monday reaction is very important. See, all this gap filling, everything is done. It's an excellent company, I will say. I mean, ICICI Bank has fallen from 860 to 760, 100 rupees fall. It's really very good correction it has done. Definitely buy on dips stock. So you can go long on this stock also. Keep accumulating this company.
Okay.
Sir, what about Axis Bank, sir?
National.
Axis Bank, it has broken all the important moving averages, sir.
Sir,
So
National.
no hopes. I'll just put the RSI also. I'll just show you the RSI. So RSI of Axis Bank, if you see everyone, even I thought it will do lifetime breakout, but it gave a choke. So it went to the all-time high, but results came. It is falling like anything. See, even now, it has RSI has come below 30. Definitely, if you're a long-term investor, definitely buy some stocks of Axis Bank. If your vision is like at least 3 months or 6 months, definitely as per RSI technique, it's a blind buy. Axis Bank, that too being a blue chip company, Nifty 50 company, this stock has corrected from the peak almost like 18%. Definitely stock to focus. So we never know. It may fall to the next support zone also. We never know. But wait and watch until unless sunrise is there in this stock, don't enter. What is the meaning of sunrise? Green candle, strong green candle should come. So as of now, only sunset is there. So which is other stock?
Sir, Canara Bank?
Canara Bank, all PSU stocks, I think all PSU banks will rally by this budget, I feel. I think some package will be announced for these banks. Canara Bank, it is taking support near 20 EMA. So let's wait and watch. It has formed a very nice pattern. Strong bullish, sharp correction, again strong up move may come.
Sir, HDFC Life.
Sir, National Aluminium Banks. Sorry, National Aluminium.
HDFC Life holds, sir. So it is just doing consolidation. Maybe next week it may bounce back also. So as for Elite Wave, so where is Elite Wave? So wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So let's take this one. As per Elite Wave, Canara Bank may touch, as per the wave theory, it may touch 750-800 zone. probably in another 1 year or 2 years. We never know. Maybe in 6 months also. We never know. That's the reason this stock being seen, PSU stocks, all are junk only. In that junk, better junk is SBI, BOB, and Indian Bank and Canara Bank. These are all better. So all the banks have big NPS, but SBI is the best out of all PSU. And second best is, I feel even Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has invested in Canara Bank. If Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is investing, definitely his time horizon will be big only. He never look at shorter time frame. All these big shots, they never see these markets for just 6 months or 3 months. They have a big time horizon. They'll at least hold the stock for 2 to 3 years or 5 years. I think this stock can even become a multi-bagger. We never know. See, provided government sell this company to other big shots or bigger, private sector, that is FIS, DIS should start accumulating this company and government should start privatization. Then this stock can become a multi-bagger stock. See, you may be astonishing. First time I am discussing about PSU stocks. Even whenever you say PSU, I'll always say don't touch PSU. But first time, only reasons is I have a proof. What is that proof? Why PSU stocks may be favorable or a multi-bagger stocks upcoming years? Just I'll show you the proof. Bharat Electronics, where I thought this is the company which can even become 30 rupees, but this stock rallied from 60 rupees to 200 in just a span of maybe 1.5 year, and it has hit a all-time high. So that means Bharat Electronics, something is cooking in this stock. And even BEML, so it's BEML. So this stock was trading at 400 rupees. Now it is trading at 1,600. So all these technology related stocks, even HAL, I think they don't have money to give salaries also, people told, no? HAL, even this stock has rallied like anything. See, this stock was trading at 500, where they told this company is a worst of a worst. But this stock also got rallied, big way. So that's the main reason. There is something in this PSU. Whether they will sell it or some foreign investors will come buy this company, I don't know. What is it is make in India, made in India, or some other schemes are there, no? Atma Nirbhar Bharat, something is there. I don't know. Sorry. So Atma, can you tell me that?
Nirbhar.
I think most of you don't know that. So some schemes are there. So that is the PSU stocks are rallying.
Sir, the National Aluminium.
See, National Aluminium, NMDC, all will grow, but we need to give some time to the stocks, PSU stocks. Nalco.
Yeah, first.
Yeah, it is near this all-time, not all-time high, one of the 5 years breakout, almost 4 years breakout. If that is broken, I think this will even go to 117, and even this gap also may be filled. We never know. So Nalco
stocks.
is near the breakout. See, you just think over, it has rallied in a very strong candles. Definitely we need some pause, no? We need some consolidation, no? So it cannot keep on rallying. It needs some break. I think this break, it may take some break like this, take a pause, and again it may go up like this. Keep on holding these stocks. So thank you guys. So
Thank you, sir.
Happy last week of expiry. We are heading for a last week of expiry. So happy expiry. Market
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you.